Hey, fellow heartburn warriors. Welcome back to parshealthhtv channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of heartburn and how to kick it to the curb once and for all. I know that burning sensation can be a real buzzkill, but fear not, because I've got some simple tricks up my sleeve that are going to change the game for you. Say goodbye to those pesky antacids and hello to some natural, easy peasy remedies that will have you saying, adios, heartburn. So, grab a seat, get ready to take notes, and let's get started on this journey to heartburn-free bliss. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game-changing tips. Let's do this. Number 7. Whole grains. Did you know that whole grains can actually help relieve heartburn? It's pretty cool. First off, they're high in fiber, which keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system and prevents constipation, which can make heartburn worse. Plus, whole grains are lower in fat compared to refined grains, and we all know that fatty foods can be a trigger for heartburn. They're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support good digestion and help reduce inflammation in your stomach and esophagus. Another great thing is that whole grains keep you feeling full, so you're less likely to overeat and put extra pressure on your tummy. Oh, and some whole grains like quinoa and millet have this alkaline thing going on, which can help neutralize excess stomach acid. So, if you're looking to ease that pesky heartburn, consider adding some whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, or oats to your diet. Your tummy will thank you. Number 6. Root vegetables. Root vegetables can be your new best friend when it comes to soothing heartburn. These babies are loaded with goodness that can help calm down that fiery sensation in your chest. First off, root veggies like carrots, sweet potatoes, and beets are low in fat and gentle on your stomach, so they're less likely to trigger heartburn. Plus, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that promote healthy digestion and keep things moving smoothly through your system. The fiber in root veggies can help prevent constipation, which is a major culprit for heartburn. Another great thing is that they're naturally alkaline, which means they can help neutralize excess stomach acid and provide some much-needed relief. So, next time you're dealing with heartburn, whip up some roasted root veggies or make a comforting sweet potato mash. Your tummy will thank you, and you'll enjoy a tasty meal at the same time. Number 5. Ripe bananas. Did you know that ripe bananas can be a total game changer when it comes to kicking heartburn to the curb? It's bananas, but it's true. These yellow powerhouses are super soothing for your tummy. First off, they're low in acid, so they won't cause any extra irritation down there. Plus, ripe bananas have this awesome natural antacid effect that can help neutralize stomach acid and ease that burning feeling. They're also packed with potassium, which can help balance electrolytes and promote proper digestion. And let's not forget about their high fiber content, which keeps things moving smoothly in your gut and helps prevent heartburn triggering constipation. So, next time you're feeling that fiery sensation, reach for a ripe banana and let its magical powers work their wonders. It's a tasty and natural way to say goodbye to heartburn. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 4. Ginger tea. Hey, listen up. If you're looking for a natural remedy to tame that annoying heartburn, ginger tea is where it's at. Seriously, this stuff is a game changer. First off, ginger has these incredible anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your digestive system and calm down that fiery sensation. It's like a superhero for your tummy. Plus, ginger tea can help relax the muscles in your esophagus, making it less likely for stomach acid to splash back up. Sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea can also help promote digestion and prevent bloating, which is a common sidekick to heartburn. And the best part? It's all natural and super easy to make. Just chop up some fresh ginger, steep it in hot water, and enjoy the comforting and soothing goodness. So, next time heartburn strikes, reach for the ginger tea and let its magical powers work their wonders. Number 3. Almonds. These little powerhouses are like tiny warriors fighting off that burning sensation. First off, almonds have this cool ability to neutralize stomach acid, providing some much needed relief. They're like your own personal antacid, but tastier. Plus, they're packed with healthy fats that help soothe your stomach and promote proper digestion. And let's not forget about their fiber content, which keeps things moving smoothly in your gut and helps prevent heartburn triggering constipation. So, the next time heartburn strikes, grab a handful of almonds and munch away. It's a delicious and natural way to say peace out to that pesky heartburn. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil might just be your new heartburn hero. It's like liquid gold for your tummy. First off, olive oil is rich in healthy fats that can help soothe your stomach and reduce inflammation. It's like giving your digestive system a big ol' hug. Plus, it creates a protective coating in your esophagus, acting as a barrier against stomach acid and preventing that fiery feeling from creeping up. And let's not forget about its smoothness. Olive oil helps things slide down smoothly in your digestive tract, reducing the chances of heartburn. So, drizzle some olive oil on your salads, use it in your cooking, and let its magic work its wonders. It's like a tasty and natural way to say goodbye to heartburn. Cheers to that. If you want to know more about olive oil and its amazing health benefits, check out the suggested video. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Let's talk about the wonder drink known as chamomile tea. This stuff is like a cozy blanket for your tummy, especially when it comes to fighting off heartburn. Chamomile tea is like a soothing balm that can calm down that fiery sensation. Sip on a warm cup of this delightful tea, and you'll feel the magic happening. Chamomile has these amazing anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease the irritation in your esophagus and stomach. It's like giving them a much-needed break. Plus, chamomile tea can help relax your muscles, including those pesky ones in your esophagus, preventing acid reflux and that uncomfortable burn. So, next time you're feeling the heat, grab a cup of chamomile tea, cozy up, and let its comforting powers work their magic. It's like a warm hug for your tummy, and you deserve it. And that's a wrap, my heartburn fighting champions. I hope you found these simple tricks and remedies as mind-blowing as I did. It's time to wave goodbye to that annoying burning sensation and embrace a life of relief. Remember, these are just a few natural remedies that have worked wonders for many, but everyone is unique, so it's important to find what works best for you. Feel free to share your experiences and any additional tips in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on conquering common health challenges. Stay healthy, stay happy, and say adios to heartburn forever. Until next time, take care and keep rocking it.